Hello everyone, it's me Chappy from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to place app icons or widgets on any position of home screen in Samsung smartphone running One UI. So without further delay, let's begin. So firstly, just open the Galaxy Store and just search for one application named as GoodLock. On the first list you'll see the application. As I have already downloaded and installed it, so I'm not going to do it again. So if your Samsung smartphones does not support this GoodLock, then what you can do is just open the Play Store and just search for FindLock. On the first list you'll see the application. So you can install either the GoodLock or FindLock, whichever supports in your respective Samsung smartphones. And after that, just open the GoodLock or FindLock, whichever application you have installed. So now you need to download one plugins named as Home Up. So I've already downloaded this too. So if you have not downloaded, then firstly download and install this Home Up plugins, and after that just click on it. Now just turn on this home screen option and click on it. Now you will see here DIY home screen. Just click on it. Now just turn it on. So you can see some previews what you can do here, and below you can see animate overlapping items when the app launch, use align guideline on edit mode, and below there is a reset option also if you want to reset it. Now once you turn on this option, you can just minimize it. Now just tap and hold on the blank area of the home screen. Now on the above you will see here DIY home. Just click on it. Now you can tap on any app icon or widget and you can place it anywhere, wherever you want. You can place it behind the widgets or behind the icons, or you can place it depending upon your needs wherever you want to place, and even you can rotate it. You can do the same thing with the widgets or app folders also. And below you can see more options like the sticker. You can add more stickers here depending upon your needs. So once you're done, you can just click on the blank area of your home screen. Now you can see we have placed the app icons or widgets on any position of the home screen depending upon your needs. And if you want to restore it back to the default style, and just move back to the application and just turn it off, you can just minimize it and it will restore back to the default app icon position. So by using these cool tricks, you can easily place app icons or widgets on any position of home screen in Samsung smartphone running One UI very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.